Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a problem that I'm going to assume a lot of you guys watching this video have faced at some point. And that problem being, you're going to grab a charging cable, but you see that they're all tangled up together with other cables, headphones, and just wires in general. And I know that's something that I come across very often. As someone who's surrounded by tech, I very frequently have my cables tangled together, and it's just not only time consuming to untangle those cables, but it also gets frustrating after some time. And this issue was kind of getting on my nerves until a company by the name of Zero Wireless reached out to us and said, hey, we have this one particular cable which is tangle free and is also coiled and magnetic. And at first I was a bit confused as to how this is possible, but I said, you know what, sure. They sent us out the product, we tried it, and it solved the problem. And that's something that's very valuable to me. The fact that I no longer am gonna have tangled cables, it's very valuable. And so today in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Zero Wireless Zap magnetic coiled charging cable. And again, everything that I do say in this video is completely my opinion. I have not been paid to say anything. So now it's fairly simple how you use these cables. You've got little magnets all along the cable line where once you coil them up together in a shape such as this, they turn up to be a lot cleaner. And because the cable is shaped in such a way, it's almost impossible for it to tangle with other cables or have any knots of some sort. And to detangle it, if you want to use it, it's very simple. You grab one end and you grab the other end and boom. Very simple. Now touching on the build quality of these cables, because cables are one thing where build quality does matter. If it's not built different, it's not going to last whatsoever. But with these ones, they're surprisingly built fairly well. I've had them for around a month now and I have not had any issues whatsoever with the cables. The magnets themselves are very well made and are pretty strong because you can stick them onto pretty much anything that's magnetic, whether it's a table, a fridge, even lights, they stick. Because let's say you want to store your cable on a refrigerator, you have the option to do so if that's your thing. And coating the cable itself in between the magnets, you do have some rubber silicone, which is made to be able to take a beating. Now lengthwise, the Zap cable comes in at 2 feet, which isn't the longest cable out there. But then again, if you're just using this to plug into your computer or your phone or a nearby outlet, it will do the job just fine. Now the variant that we do have is type C to A, but it also does come with other variants such as type C to C, C to Lightning, and Lightning to A. Now overall, are these cables worth it? In my personal opinion, if you're able to get them when they're on sale for $15, yes, for the reason that I feel that magnetic charging cables are slowly becoming the future because it's so much easier to use these as it declutters space. It avoids cables getting tangled overall, and that saves time. And in today's day and age, time is money. And for that reason, I genuinely feel that these are a good pickup. I use them daily, and I have no issues with them so far. With that being said, if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It genuinely means the world to us, and it helps our channel grow day by day. This has been TechBarn, and as always, stay premium.